Now comes a very hot debated topic of having extreme words in the prelims questions. Yes, definitely. Merely the use of extreme words will not make every statement wrong. This is one message which I would like to give it to you all. Extreme words in UPSC questions are to be looked at very carefully. They also have to be looked at from the perspective that where do they place this extreme word and in which type of questions. If they have put extreme statements or words in every statement, then what is the answer? What is the pattern? This is what we all have to understand, right? Let's take this example of environment question. So monazite occurs naturally in the entire Indian coastal sands of India. Yes, monazite occurs in around the coast, but entire sands of coastal India, not possible. So use of entire is the extreme word here, right? Similarly, if we see another example of questions having extreme word in every statement, उस केस में आंसर क्या होता है? Some species of turtles are herbivores, होंगी. Some species of fish are herbivores, हो सकते हैं. Some mushrooms have medicinal properties, हाँ हो सकता है. Some mushrooms have psychoactive properties, हाँ हो सकता है. Some is a probability that it may happen. There might be some species which will have certain characteristics. So there is a probability, right? If you happen to see the UPSC official answer keys, in such questions, answer is all four. So this is what again you all have to look into.